How to fix Instagram message swipe reply not working. Welcome back everyone to a new video of 1-2 step. Whenever you try to swipe reply on Instagram, you cannot swipe it. If you're also having this problem, then in this video let me show you a couple of fixes that you can try out. Now if the swiping feature is not available for you, the other thing that you can do is just tap and hold on the message, and similarly you can tap on the reply option and you can reply to that message. But however, even though you tap and hold, you cannot see the reply option or this interface does not show up for you. Then in this case what you can do is update your app of Instagram first of all. So search for Play Store and search for Instagram. Tap on update if there are any new updates. This mainly happens because there are some kind of bugs or glitches which may be causing the issue, and updating apps helps to clear out those bugs. Once you update your Instagram app, try to see if this fixes the issue. If it does not, the second thing that I suggest you to do is uninstall Instagram. And then once the app has been uninstalled, you can again download and install the application again. Uninstalling and installing applications is also a great way of clearing out or removing glitches if that is something that you're dealing with. So just remove the application from your device and then again reinstall and log into your account. Now once you do that, you may not have the swipe feature immediately. You can wait out a couple of hours once you sort of uninstall and install the app again, and you should be able to see the swipe reply option once you do these couple of steps. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.